everyone, a very warm welcome to our chief guests, all respected parents, teachers and our little shining stars on this wonderful celebration. Today, we have gathered not just as a school community, but as a one big family, celebrating the spirit of unity, talent and remarkable achievements of our Kidstown family. On behalf of Kidstown family and preschool, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you present here today. It gives me immense pleasure to see you all gathered here to celebrate a most awaited annual function. This day is a reflection of the hard work, dedication and collective efforts of our students, teachers, staff and everyone who has contributed to making this event possible. Today is not just a day to showcase talent, but also to celebrate the creativity and the spirit that define us. We are excited to present another performances and activities, all of which represent the hard work and passion of those involved. It is a time for celebration, recognition, and of course to enjoy the wonderful talent of our preschool community. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for being here today and supporting this event. Your presence makes this celebration even more special. Let's enjoy this memorable day together, filled with joy and enthusiasm. Without wasting any more time, let's begin our celebration right away. National Anthem. In India, every program begins with the National Anthem. Following this tradition, I kindly request everyone to please stand up in respect of our National Anthem.
शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय जय
Now I request you all, please be seated. As we begin this joyous occasion, let's invoke the blessings of Almighty and dispel darkness by lighting the ceremonial lamp, a symbol of knowledge, wisdom and prosperity. The light of the lamp signifies the removal of ignorance and the beginning of enlightenment. May this divine light inspire us to spread positivity and harmony. Like every other auspicious program, we begin our event with the lighting of the lamp. I request our respected Principal Geeta Ma'am, Neeraj Sir and our Chief Guest Mrs. Mrunal Samudra and Mr. Kaustubh Samudra to kindly come forward and light the lamp.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धि
They have trained students from basic to degree levels under the Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya and currently teach both classical and Sugam music. Their mission is to make quality music education accessible to all, including specially able students. And their work extends across Maharashtra as well as internationally in the USA and Dubai. Thank you so much, ma'am. May this light shine upon all our children. Now I request a respected principal to honor Mrs. Mrunal Samudra with a token of appreciation. Please, ma'am, come forward. And also I request a respected principal to honor Mr. Kaustubh Samudra with a token of appreciation. Principal ma'am to engage the function with her valuable thoughts. Please welcome ma'am.
First and foremost, I would like to thank God Almighty for blessing us with the opportunity to be a part of this precious business. Good afternoon everyone, respected guests, parents, teachers and my dear little ones. I take great pleasure in welcoming you all on this special occasion of our annual day celebration. Let me begin by saying a big thank you to each one of you for taking out your valuable time and being present here. This annual day is not about perfect steps and perfect performances. It is about growth. It is about a child who once spoke softly and today speaks confidently. It is about a child who once stood quietly in a corner and today stands proudly on this stage. These may look like small changes, but these are life-changing moments. To our parents, thank you. Thank you for your trust with your most precious treasure. We understand how difficult it is to leave your little ones behind and walk away. Your trust motivates us to give our very best every single day. To my dear teachers and staff, I am deeply thankful for my team and our shared mission. You are the heart of our preschool and daycare. Teaching young children is a noble and very challenging job. It requires love, patience and care. I remember a beautiful quote, God could not be present everywhere, so He made mothers. Mothers could not be present everywhere, so He made teachers. On behalf of the management and parents, I take this opportunity to thank my entire team for all the hard work they put into their studies, competitions, growth and this annual day too, without any expectations and appreciation. So, sit back, feel proud and enjoy every moment because this moment will become memories for a lifetime. Once again, thank you for being a part of this celebration. Together, let us continue to nurture and support our children as they take their first steps towards bright and promising future. Thank you. Golden rules for parents. Dear parents, we would like to make a few important announcements. We request your kind cooperation to help us conduct the program smoothly and joyfully. During the function, parents are not allowed to meet their children at the backstage. If any child feels uncomfortable or needs support, our teachers and staff will contact you personally. Kindly do not worry, as all necessary arrangements have been made for the children. All students will be handed over to parents after the event is completely over. While the performances are going on, parents are kindly requested not to come near the stage. Please do not encourage children from the audience by calling out their names. Our teachers will guide them throughout the program. Every child you see performing today is unique. Some might dance perfectly, others might stand still and just soak in the lights, and some might look for you in the crowd. We humbly request all parents to please encourage each and every child with your warm applause and loving smiles, because our little stars have worked so hard to present their beautiful performances. Today, their confidence is more important than their choreography. Your appreciation means the world to them. It builds their confidence, fills their hearts with joy, and inspires them to do even better in the future. Without further ado, let us continue to enjoy and celebrate the wonderful performances of our little stars. Thank you for your love, patience, and continuous support. So without wasting any more time, please hold on to your seats, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the exciting and joyful journey of our Kids Town annual function. With folded hands, silent prayers, and hearts filled with faith, we begin today's celebration by surrendering ourselves at the lotus feet of Lord Ganesha. Before any step is taken, before any word is spoken, we seek His blessings, the one who removes obstacles, the one who lights our path with wisdom and grace. We warmly welcome our dedicated event volunteers, our little devotees. Let's welcome Anushri Bhatuse and Saloni Gule on the stage, who have come together with devotion and love to seek Lord Ganesha's blessings through this beautiful offering. Please put your hands together for both of them.
गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
celebrations and devotion, filled hearts have touched every soul present here. You have filled this stage with positivity, purity, and divine grace. A soulful round of applause for our devoted volunteers for this heartfelt offering. Thank you, both of you, dear angels. Ganpati Bappa! Mangal Murti! I can't hear you. So, come on everyone. We need to energize you all. This auditorium should shake with joy and devotion. So, hands up and ready to clap. Together we will chant after counting 1 to 3. Okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ganpati Bappa! Mangal Murti! That's the energy. Now that the hall is alive with Bappa's name, let's joyfully move ahead with our celebration. Now we begin today's celebration on a beautiful note of love and joy. Today our youngest daycare stars are ready to welcome you, not just with dance steps, but with pure hearts and innocent smiles. This dance performance is their gentle, heartfelt way of saying thank you and warmly welcoming each one of you here today. So dear audience, slow down, smile and get ready to feel your hearts melt as we proudly present our little bundles of love with a lovely welcome dance. A big loving round of applause for our precious daycare angels. Let's welcome Kiara Chaudhary, Shrisha Das, Ananya Sharma, Avni Sharma, Ojasvi Gaikwad, Shravani Bagal, Parnavi Patil. Please put your hands together. Music please. not know it today, but you have gifted us a memory. We will cherish forever. Thank you for teaching us that love needs no perfection, only purity. Let's give a long, loving round of applause to our little miracle. Thank you, little angels. India is a country that perfectly demonstrates unity in diversity. Here we are representing a grand fusion of culture and religion of people belonging to different castes, communities and places. Please put your hands together for our Kids Town students as they take you on a colorful and joyful journey of India with Mini India Ramp Walk. Its Purugami culture. Maha means great and Rashtra means nation. Please welcome Devach Atore and Sachi Kamre in a beautiful attire of Maharashtra. Please give them a big round of applause. Music please. Bhavesh, Vande Mataram. Jai Shri Krishna, Tame Kem Cho. Gujarat is a land of rich handicrafts and is also famous for its mouth-watering food. Please welcome Bhargavi Rane and Raghav Hendre in the colorful attire of Gujarat. Namaskar. Kerala is the paradise of India. It is a prominent tourist destination known for its coconut-lined sandy beaches, hill stations and tropical greenery. Please welcome Kavya Chauhan and Shlok Sonamne to showcase the beauty of Kerala. Vadakkam. Tamil Nadu is famous for its magnificent temples, vibrant festivals and the celebration of arts. Please give a thunderous round of applause for Shrisha Kanikatti and Swaransh Patil. They are looking absolutely beautiful in this traditional attire, representing the pride of the South.
Vande Mataram.
Namaskar. Now we move to the east. Bengal is historically famous for its rich diversity and literature. It is also known for having the largest mangrove forest in the world. Here we have Nima Jorvekar and Anish Hendre to represent Bengal in a way that is as sweet as Rasgulla. Let's cheer for them. Cultures in the world. It is the land of great sons and brave fighters. Please put your hands together for Arami Bharman and Rozan Sheikh, who will take us to Punjab. Manipur is represented by its classical and folk dance forms in the field of art and culture. It is known for its scenic landscapes and local cuisine. Please welcome Viha Maske and Sandeep Vishwakarma to represent Manipur. Kingdoms. It attracts many tourists and its tradition and heritage. Let's welcome Sia Fugat and Rushan Tengre in the beautiful get-up of Rajasthan. Assalamu alaikum. Finally, we ascend to the crown of India. Kashmir is truly heaven on the earth. It is known for its breathtaking scenery, colorful flower gardens, valleys, and snow-capped mountains. Let's take a moment to welcome Manasvi Girase and Pranav Mahajan on the stage, showcasing the beautiful culture of Kashmir in a graceful way. Let us bow our heads in gratitude to these little stars who beautifully showcase the state of mini India. With every step, they reminded us that our culture is our strength and our unity is our devotion. May God bless our children with wisdom, confidence, and love for our nation always. Please give them a big heartfelt round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. Can you give a big round of applause for the all students? play a quick game. Can I get the audience slide, please? Yeah. I can see very beautiful faces now. So, add some fun, laughter, and little brain workout. So, rules are simple. What we are going to do is I will say the English translation of some famous Hindi songs. Okay? And just raise your hands and guess and sing few lines in your beautiful voice. Are you ready? One is, my shoes are Japanese, my pants are English, my head has a red cap. I can see a lot of raised hands. Can we get the, you have to come a little forward for the mic, please. Can you just slip? Ma'am, can you just come forward for the mic? Yes, please. The rule is you have to sing the song. Yes, give a huge round of applause. Thank you. Himanshu, please give the chocolates. Second riddle is, oh, this night, this season, along the river bank, this playful mind. Anyone? I'll repeat it once again. Oh, this night, this season, along the river bank. Okay, I can see raised hands. You have to just come forward for the mic. Can you just step ahead? Okay.
Not very sure.
Yeah, you can try. No. I repeat it once again. Just come forward, anyone, for the mic. That's the correct answer. Give a huge round of applause. Thank you. We'll resume our performance.
Yoga acrobatic rhythm. On the beat of music with balance so true. Moves flow gently, calm and deep. Where rhythm guides and yoga flows, good habits in young hearts grow. With every pose, with every beat, body and mind move calm and deep. Get ready to witness acro yoga with rhythm, a celebration of family, strength and togetherness. A perfect blend of balance, trust and togetherness. A big round of applause for this beautiful family. Please welcome Pranav Mahajan and family.
اللي لك رقص الدنيا يا الحبيب سمع صبوحك تطبها نصيب من يدك جنة بتعطيها كف وهز كان خليك شبيب عطي رقصة فريسة زيد عليها شوي عني ميزة حكي الاختيار اللي نعرف صيدة سويلي وقفة دار هيبة هيا سوي رقصة بياع يلي واحد كرك يلا وياه طيق سيارة بوليس يلا يلا سوي رقصة تعالي رقصة البطل ولا سنة فوز عندي خوش فصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا أخي فوز عندي خوش فصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة
What a magical and healthier lifestyle. And may these good habits work with them. Thank you, dear Pranav and family. We often talk about leaving a better planet for our children. But today, we have a very special performance where a child will teach us how to care for that planet. A tiny seed becomes a tree, giving life to you and me. To keep the earth both green and blue, we must protect the nature too. Let's give a thunderous welcome to our little nursery angel, Amnita Bene and her wonderful mother, as they present Save Tree, Save Life.
Amina, Bene, from the teacher who says, I say, but it's not me.
Breaking news in near Dehradun, 6,574 trees to be cut for major road project. In UP, illegal cutting of trees near about 5,500 in Pilibhit. And in our Maharashtra government said aim is to cut as few trees as possible for a Kumbh Mela in great city Nasik. Cut the tree, cut the tree, cut the tree.
What a touching way to remind us that saving a tree is saving a life. They truly showed us that no one is too small to make a difference. As they leave the stage, let's take their message home with us. Thank you, dear Amnita and Mom. Now comes the most heart-touching and precious performance. A little heart, a tiny smile, small steps, but endless innocence. Yes, Dil Hai Chota Sa and Itti Si Hasi. This song beautifully captures the beautiful world of our tiny tots. They may be small in age, but their love, purity, and joy are bigger than words. Our tiny tots have been practicing so hard to capture that feeling of innocence. They aren't just dancing to a song, they are showing us how beautiful the world looks when you are only 3 feet tall. So dear parents, please hold your hearts and welcome our little stars with a huge round of applause. Please welcome Bhargavi Rani, Johan Kumar, Kavya Chauhan, Shlok Sonavne, Daksh Pawar, Raghav Hindre and Konat Chaudhary.
ले चुपके गाए आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की है सभी थोड़ा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया
इसी हंसी इसी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाब के इनको से चल बनाए आशिया
इसी हंसी इसी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाब के इनको से चल बनाए आशिया
What a wonderful performance. Every little movement spoke directly to our heart. For many of our children, this was their first time on stage. And they performed with such courage and sweetness. Dear children, you may not remember these moments, but this performance will remain forever in your parents' hearts and memories. Once again, let's give a huge round of applause for our little stars. Now it's time to pay tribute to our country. East or west, India is the best. From the Himalayas to the seas, our tricolor flies proudly with the breeze. Today, our little ones are here to tell us a story of love, pride and glory. First, they will steal your hearts with the soulful melody of Ye Duniya Ek Dulhan, and then they will make you want to jump from your seats with the powerful beats of Chak De India. So please put your hands together for this energetic Deshbhakti mashup presented by our little Deshbhakts. Let's welcome Savi Kade, Savi Kadam, Avnita Baby, Viha Maske, Arnav Rao, Pranav Mahajan, Devan Shatore, Rozan Sheikh, Anish Hendre, Rusham Tengre, Shaurya Chandani, Sanjeev Pute, Swaraj Patil, Akshat Kamri, Viyansh Gaute and Reyansh Turekar.
Krishna Krishna Hare Sim sim pola pola sim sim pola sim sim pola pola sim sim pola Pani 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 pechola pechola drum drum jubilant simbola simbola Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 We want to go Hare Bola Bola America America
लंदन देखा पेरिस देखा लंदन देखा पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान माइकल देखा एल्विस देखा सब देखा मेरी जान सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान दूसरा हिंदुस्तान दूसरा हिंदुस्तान ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया ये मेरा इंडिया I love my India I love my India
कुछ करिए नस नस में खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले कुछ करिए
India, with every state, they salute the Tiranga. Let's encourage them with your warm applause as they take their final walk today. Because every clap you give becomes their confidence for the month. They prove their Deshbhakti in every state, pride in every smile. Thank you, dear kids. Now comes a performance that truly feels like home. Because Ashiana is not just made of walls and roofs, it is made of love, care, hugs and endless sacrifices. On this stage today, you will witness not just a dance but a story of unconditional love, trust and togetherness. Let's welcome our mother and daughter duo as they present Ashiana Mera. A home built with love forever and always. Please welcome Divisha and her beautiful mom.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर में ना बुलाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब में ना तू जो मिला लो हो गया मेरा दिल तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल मुश्किल से ही आसान हुई मंजिल क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल रूठ जाना तेरा मान जाना मेरा ढूंढते
Stop the music. That was pure magic. Your performance touched our soul. May every daughter always find strength in her mother's blessing. And may every mother see her prayers walk proudly in her child. Let's bless them with a huge round of applause.
Can I get the audience slide, please? So I am back. Is it interesting to have more riddles? Guys, please respond. Yes? Okay. So let's start with some new riddles. Bunch of tamarinds, tree of berries. Tamarind is sour, berries are sweet. In this jungle, we are two lions. Let's walk home quickly. We have gotten late. No one? Yeah, please try.
बेरी का बूटा इमली का बूटा बेरी का दे इमली कच्ची मीठे दे इस जंगल में हम दोषे चल घर जल्दी हो गई.
Yes, guys, please get engaged. And I will request you, please, could you sing with her also? You can join her, please.
इमली का बूटा बेरी का दे इमली कच्ची मीठे दे इस जंगल में हम दोषे चल घर जल्दी हो गई दे.
Thank you. Lata Mangeshkar of our kids town. So, yes, this was the correct answer and they deserve chocolate. Give them a big round of applause, guys. Now I have another riddle also. I am the queen of dreams. I rule every heart. Clouds are my hair. Lightning is my style. I have come to strike like lightning. Anyone? Yeah, I can see. Okay. There are 2 hands raised. Could you please come forward to give the answer? Yeah, please. Join her, ma'am. I can see at every minute she is like, I know. No. I repeat it once again. I am the queen of dreams. I rule every heart. Clouds are my hair. Lightning is my style. I have come to strike like lightning. Anyone? Yeah, there are hands back. Truly melodious. Thank you. Now I take another riddle. Lemon, raw, small, lemon. This is so easy, guys. Please. Yeah, please come forward for it.
Nimura.
Yes,
Kacha. Nimura.
thank you. Give her a huge round of applause. Thank you. This friendship will never break. This friendship will never break. Till my last breath, I'll stand by you. Yeah, please come further.
ये दोस्ती
Please everyone sing with me.
नहीं तोड़िए दम अगर तेरा साथ ना तोड़िए.
You deserve a chocolate. Thank you. We resume our participants' performance.
Now it's time for a super fun and energetic performance by a song मैं निकला गट्टी लेके. These little ones are all set to steal your heart with their joyful steps and endless enthusiasm. So let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. Bhargavi Rane, Johan Kumar, Kavya Chauhan, Shlok Sonamne, Daksh Pawar, Raghav Hendre and Ponar.
उस मोड़ पे वो मुटियार मिली. उस मोड़ पे वो मुटियार मिली. जब
knowledge skills. You all performed with such confidence and happiness that every parent heart is full of pride. Let's give a huge round of applause to our precious playgroup children. You are our little stars. Keep shining bright. Get ready for a royal entry. Just like the great Peshwa Baji Rao celebrated his victories, our little champions are here to celebrate their special day. The beats are loud, the spirit is high, and our tiny dancers are ready to roll. As the song says, Bajne de Dharak Dharak. Put your hands together for this power-packed performance on Malhari.
The dots take a lot of time to get ready. So I'll continue our game, okay? So the riddle is, I am the princess of dreams. Okay, this has been done. Sorry. This friendship will never break. Anyone remember this is done or not? So you guys are awake. Give a huge round of applause to yourself, please. Thanks. Black glasses, suits on your face. Black glasses, suits on your fair face.
I am not sure, maybe there are two songs on this.
Okay.
Gore Gore Mukde Kala Kala Chashma.
चालतंय ना.
And other one is Pen Kala Chashma.
This one is the right one. Thank you. But you gave us one more option for the other part. I can definitely take this one also. Thank you. Yeah. Next one is, I leave with my car on the road, on the street. My heart is dancing, singing along. This is so easy, and just now you have heard this song. Yeah, please. Yes. Can you please sing two lines? Oh, thank you. Please give everyone a huge round of applause. Jump, dance, and enjoy because today's party is on me. Please come forward. Yes. Can you sing the lines?
Not proper.
Sorry.
Not proper.
None. Okay, fine. Thank you. Give him a huge round of applause. Bum Bum says, swing is fun. Dance in happiness. Enjoy every moment. Yeah. A lot of hands.
बब्बम बोले बच्ची नहीं
Thank you. Give her a huge round of applause, guys. Let's take another one. Day is about to end. Evening is on the way. Let me go, I have to go. Please come forward, ma'am.
I don't know which right or not.
You can try.
सूरज हुआ मदन
I'll repeat once again.
Okay.
Day is about to end. Evening is on the way. Let me go, I have to go. No worries, you can guess anything like if you get. It's fine.
जाने को जाना है
Dal dal din. Everyone sing along, guys. Enjoy the moment.
जाने दो जाना
Thank you. Okay. Water is blue today and day is sunny. Water is blue today today and day is sunny. Come on the beach and click my photo.
Blue है पानी पानी दिल
Anyone else want to join him? Yeah, please.
My friend is joining.
Yeah, sure.
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और दिन भी सानी 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 सानी.
Thank you. Okay. Instead of sheep's panic, which each round the difficulty is increasing, so please listen carefully. Instead of sheep's panic, the lion's single roar is mighty, my friend. Okay, I'll repeat. Instead of sheep's panic, the lion's single roar is mighty. Anyone? Okay, I'll give you a hint. This is Aamir Khan's movie in which he has, I guess, 5 or 3 daughters. Yeah, please try now.
मेरे की सो दहाड़ के बदले शेर की एक दहाड़ दंगल सा.
Yeah. Anyone else want to continue the part? Anyone? Okay, fine. You
Some
deserve
words are
some.
missing.
Sorry?
Some words are missing.
Yeah, it's